Some users are reporting problems when upgrading to iOS 17, specifically with Wi-Fi connectivity. The 925 Mac site has a forum where there are several reports from various users affected by this problem. The problems are not of complete disconnection, but simply too impressive slowness. This results in some applications not being able to load content or taking too long to update their feed. Some report that the simple solution has been to disconnect and reconnect to the wireless network, a solution that any engineer would have thought of. Obviously, we could also think that the error was due to the internet connection and not to the devices, but users report that this problem occurred on both their iPhone and iPad updated to this version of the operating system, but the problem did not happen on their Mac. Therefore, it is very clear that apparently we have some instability in this system that Apple will surely correct as soon as possible. Some similar reports on Reddit point out that another solution a little more technical and complex is to change the bandwidth of your Wi-Fi network to adjust it to 20, 40, or 80 megahertz. However, the most useful solution will be to wait for the update to be released by Apple, although they have not yet confirmed that they will release an update to fix this problem, but I am 100% sure they will.